we on? Oh, yeah, we're on. Hi, my name is Donald Frump. Some people say I'm the world's best marketer in the whole wide world. I wouldn't say that, but other people do. In fact, some people also say that I have the best internet websites in the whole wide world. I wouldn't say that, but other people do. What I will say is that I just came across the best, single most favorite software in the whole wide world. It's called Marketing Operator, and I'm a little upset. Yes, I'm a little upset that I didn't come across it first. In fact, it's so good, they should have called it the Frumpinator Market Operator, because the Frumpinator has a much better name than just Marketing Operator. But we'll take it as it is. Marketing Operator is absolutely the single best software out there in the whole wide world. Why? Because when I used to have my guys make me a website, it took 5-6 weeks to make the website. Again, the world's best website in the whole wide world. I wouldn't say that, but other people do. This is how it goes. All you do, 10 minutes later, you put it in the oven, you take it out, and the website's ready. It's absolutely amazing. I can't believe it. Basically, you touch a button or two, and you've got a brand new website so you can market. You know, I probably am one of the best marketers in the whole wide world, and this will give me more time to market instead of creating a website and waiting 5 or 6 weeks for it. So get the Frumpinator Market Operator right now and use the link that the Frumpinator gives you. If you use the link the Frumpinator gives you, you're going to get some extra special gifts that nobody is giving away. Absolutely nobody. Why? Because I give the best bonuses in the whole wide world. At least I was told that. I don't believe that, but I heard that I give the best bonuses around in the whole wide world. So try it now. Get the Frumpinator Market Operator right now and use my link below because it's very, very special. Thank you very much. My name is Donald Frump.